So there are three main types of double eyelid shapes. The first would be tapered, which is probably the most natural. The second would be a parallel crease, where this distance from the beginning to the end of the crease is the same. And the third would be kind of a hybrid, or kind of a mixture of tapered and parallel, where it's a little bit thinner in the inner corner and a little bit wider in the outer corner, but it's still considered an outside fold. In terms of deciding which eyelid shape would be best for you, it really depends on your personal preferences, as well as your anatomy and your facial features, and what works best with your face. I think some of the things that are important to consider are the actual shape of your eye and the distance between your eyebrow and your eyelid. It kind of determines also how wide of a crease would be suitable for you. Somebody with not very much distance between the eyebrow and the eyelid don't necessarily want to have a bigger crease, because sometimes that would make it look more crowded and more not proportional. Sometimes, specific shape of a crease may not necessarily match that patient's eyelid anatomy. It just doesn't work well, just given, the shape of the inner corner, the angle of the eye. So, a lot of times, we always consider patient preferences as well, but we also have to work with the confinements of facial features of the patient, him or herself.